When you pick up a piece of Brava versus picking up another synthetic manufacturer, as soon as you pick it up, you know it's a quality product. It feels good, it looks good. My name is Keith MacNaught. I'm with Cedar Roofing Company, CRC, out of Lake Forest, Illinois. We specialize in cedar roofing products and synthetics. Our service area is from the north part of Chicago up to lower Wisconsin and also the western suburbs. I've been with the company for 15 years now, and what makes our company so special is helping customers be able to choose roofing products that are going to be forever on their home. I think our industry is a little bit more unique because we're just not putting on regular asphalt shingles, even though we do offer that service. But this is something that's a little bit more special to the homeowner and special to their home. And it's fun to be able to help the customers through that process for sure. For a long time, our primary focus was on cedar roofing, and hence our name of our company, Cedar Roofing Company. But as the cedar industry has become a little smaller and the cost of cedar has been steadily rising and the cedar's harder to get, we have a lot of issues with quality control in the cedar, so it makes it a little bit more difficult to get a quality cedar shake roof. Our homeowners are starting to request more information on synthetics, and when we started working with Brava around 5-6 years ago, we fit that need for those homeowners because the Brava product, it installs just like Cedar Shake. And that's so important to us because of all of our roofing crews are so familiar with installing the Cedar Shake. So when we give them the Brava product or a Brava bundle, they're installing it the same way. We're doing the same felting pattern, they're multiple widths. This is something that's really easy for them to install. And less trimming of the wood, because when we get cedar, we'll have to trim it to make it fit the size, where the consistency of the Brava is really important. It's important to the roofing crews. Maintenance of a Cedar Shake roof is, if you live in an area like we do here on the North Shore of Chicago, there's lots of trees, so we have a lot of moss and fungus. The cedar, being a natural product, it holds water, absorbs water. So moss and fungus grows on it really easily. So obviously those are things you have to clean off. That could be something that might have to happen every 5 years. It might have to be something that may have to happen every year. With the Brava product, it makes it a little more unique. There's no water absorption, there's no moss and fungus that will grow on the product. So you're basically eliminating the maintenance needs that you would have on a traditional Cedar Shake roof.